Should you buy the regular Apple Watch or the Nike Edition Apple Watch Series 7? I'm going to tell you in this video. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And I have two special guests with me today. That is the regular aluminum Apple Watch Series 7. This one happens to be in the new green color, which looks very sharp. Then I have this one, which is the Nike edition of the Apple Watch Series 7. This happens to be in the new Starlight color. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you which one you should probably buy. A lot of people have asked me if they should buy the regular Apple Watch or the Nike edition. I'm going to walk you through the differences and tell you which one you should probably pick up. Starting out, here's why you may want to buy the regular Apple Watch Series 7 and not the Nike version. The two big reasons to not opt for the Nike is because you want to bundle your watch with a different band, or you want one of the different case colors that are not offered in the Nike version. Nike comes in both Starlight and Midnight, but all the other colors and case materials are not available in Nike editions. So if you want red, blue, or the new green color, you have to choose the regular aluminum. If you want graphite or silver or gold in stainless steel, you have to choose the regular non-Nike version. And if you want space black or natural titanium, again, you have to go with the regular Apple Watch. However, if you're looking at Starlight or Midnight, you can choose the Nike version. The other reason that you may not want to get the Nike version is because you want to bundle your watch with a custom band. The Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 7 is only available with the Nike branded bands. Ones like this Sport Band here. There's also the Sport Loop bands that were updated this year. All those can be bundled with the Nike edition of the Apple Watch. But if you wanted a regular sport band, if you wanted a leather link, if you wanted anything besides the Nike bands, you have to go with the regular version of the Apple Watch. To be clear, the Nike Apple Watch can fit any band. I can use my leather link with the Apple Watch Series 7, no problem at all. But you cannot bundle them together at purchase. The one that is included in the box has to be a Nike band. So if you don't want one of the Nike bands, you can't buy the Nike version. That said, here is why you probably should buy the Nike version of the Apple Watch. Honestly, most people that I've talked to are opting for either Starlight or Midnight. They're the most basic colors, which is why they're the ones that are available in the Nike model. And a lot of people also love the Nike bands. They love the perforated holes in the Nike Sport Band and the cool new swoosh indicator on the new Nike Sports Loops. So if that is your cup of tea, you can get them bundled with the Nike version of the Apple Watch. The Nike version of the Apple Watch also has special features. It has a series of exclusive watch faces, including the new bounce face that you can only get on the Nike editions. It has all of the other watch faces, plus these special Nike ones. The Nike ones have different looks, and they have a quick shortcut for a complication that'll jump you right into the Nike Run Club app. So if you want that shortcut complication, if you want those extra faces, you should buy the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 7. It is functionally the same, but you get additional faces. So if you are looking at that Midnight or Starlight color and you don't mind bundling it with a Nike band, get the Nike version. Most people out there should buy the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 7. There are those reasons, colors, and band choices that you want to pick a regular Apple Watch, but again, most people out there buy the Nike one. It's that simple. You get more for your money. Let me know what you guys think or which Apple Watch Series 7 you're going to be picking up. Let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. By the way, check our link down below in the description. We have been gathering all the best deals on the latest Apple Watches. So if you want to save some money when you buy your new Apple Watch, follow those links.